Unlock Nissan AutoAuth SGW Gateway with TOPDON. Full guide explained. Hey everyone, Hussein here, and welcome back to Baabji Motors, your pit stop for all things diagnostics, key programming, and automotive tech. Quick disclaimer before we roll into today's topic. This video is strictly for educational and informational purposes. Everything shown here is only meant to help technicians, learners, and enthusiasts. We respect all trademarks, follow fair use, and encourage you to always stick to manufacturer guidelines and local laws when working on vehicles. Now let's kick this off with a fun challenge and a question for you. Did you know that without unlocking Nissan's secure gateway, your diagnostic tool is basically blindfolded, limited only to basic read-only functions? Imagine driving with one eye closed. So here's my question. Do you think automakers should keep tightening vehicle cybersecurity, or should independent technicians always have a way in through secure authorization? Let me know what you think in the comments. And since you're here, don't forget, our target is 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments in just 1 week. Plus, you can hype this video in the comments section. It's free, fun, and helps our video climb the YouTube charts so more technicians like you can see it. So subscribe, hit that bell, and let's dive into how to unlock Nissan AutoAuth SGW using your TOPDON diagnostic tool. All right, let's start with the exciting update. TOPDON has officially announced that their diagnostic tools are now certified to access Nissan AutoAuth Secure Gateway, or SGW for short. This is a big deal for technicians across North America, because now you can perform full, unrestricted diagnostics on modern Nissan vehicles. Once unlocked, your TOPDON tool doesn't just read codes. It allows you to clear DDCs, perform ECU programming and coding, run bidirectional controls, carry out maintenance resets, and even access immobilizer functions depending on your tool model. So what tools are supported? Currently, you can use the AutoAuth SGW unlock feature with models like the TopScan, the ArtiDiag series, including 500, 600S, 600 Elite, 700, and 900 Lite, as well as the UltraDiag. And of course, the Phoenix line is covered too. Phoenix Lite, Nano, Plus, Max, Smart, and Zlink are all compatible. If you own any of these, you're ready to start. But before you start unlocking, let's clarify what this Nissan AutoAuth SGW actually is. Nissan implemented the Secure Gateway module to protect its newer vehicles from cyber threats and unauthorized access to sensitive ECUs. In simple terms, it acts like a firewall between your diagnostic tool and the vehicle's brain. Without proper authentication, your tool is limited to basic OBD2 functions. Things like reading ECU data, pulling codes, and monitoring live data. Useful, but not enough for serious repair work. Now here's where AutoAuth comes in. AutoAuth is Nissan's automatic authentication authority, a system that manages user accounts and permissions for accessing SGW-equipped vehicles. By registering with AutoAuth and linking your TOPDON tool, you get the green light to pass through the gateway and run advanced diagnostics. So why is unlocking this gateway necessary? Let me explain it with a simple before and after. Before unlocking, you're restricted to just the basics, code reading and live data checks. But after unlocking, you gain full control. ECU programming, coding, bidirectional controls, maintenance services, immobilizer setups, and a whole lot more. Basically, you transform your diagnostic tool from an entry-level reader into a powerful factory-level scanner. Now, which vehicles are equipped with Nissan AutoAuth SGW? The list is long and still expanding, but let me give you a clear picture. In North America, it starts with models like the 2020 Nissan Altima, multiple years of the Infiniti Q50 and Q60, the Infiniti QX50, QX55, and QX60 covering models from 2020 all the way up to 2024. Even larger vehicles like the Infiniti QX80 and practical options like the Nissan Kicks and NV vans are included. If you own an EV, yes, the Nissan Leaf from 2018 onwards is covered too. On top of that, you'll find models like the Nissan Maxima, Murano, Pathfinder, Rogue, Sentra, and the sporty Nissan Z starting for 2023. The bottom line, if you're diagnosing a late-model Nissan or Infiniti in North America, chances are you'll need AutoAuth access. So how do you unlock the Nissan AutoAuth SGW with the TopDON tool? Let's go step by step. Step 1. When you connect your tool to a Nissan vehicle, you'll see a screen showing your SGW unlock permission status. Step 2. Log in with your AutoAuth account credentials. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. I'll walk you through registration in a moment. Step 3. Once the login is successful and AutoAuth validates your account, your TopDON tool will unlock the secure gateway instantly. From that point on, you can perform advanced diagnostics and full service functions on the vehicle. Now let's talk about registering an AutoAuth account, since that's the gateway to the gateway. Head to their official website at webapp.autoauth.com. Click on Register and set up your user account. You'll need to create a username that's at least 8 alphanumeric characters starting with a letter, and it has to be lowercase. Then fill in the basics, your first and last name, email, and password. After agreeing to the terms and clicking Sign Up, AutoAuth will send you an email confirmation link. You need to click that to activate your account. Once you're in, it's time to register as a service center or independent technician, which is where the payment comes in. You'll fill out details like your shop name, username, address, contact info, and payment details. After that, you'll have access to menu options like Manage Tools and Manage Users. Now, for the important part, adding your TopDON tool. Under Manage Tools, click Add Tool. Select TopDON as the manufacturer and enter your tool serial number. Once added, your tool will immediately be authorized to unlock secure gateways on vehicles. And yes, a registered tool can be used by all shop users, but one serial number can't be shared across multiple shops. From there, it's smooth sailing. The next time you hook up your tool to a Nissan or Infiniti with SGW, your registered tool and AutoAuth account will work hand in hand to unlock full access. And that's it. You're officially ready to perform advanced diagnostics on Nissan vehicles with your TopDON tool and AutoAuth account. So let's wrap this up. Remember my question from the start. Should automakers keep tightening cybersecurity, or should technicians always have a secure way in? The correct answer really lies somewhere in the middle. Automakers need to protect vehicles from hackers, but at the same time, authorized professionals like us should always have a secure and legitimate pathway for diagnostics. Personally, I think AutoAuth is a fair balance. It keeps vehicles safe while giving technicians the tools we need to keep cars on the road. What's your take? Let me know in the comments below. Here's a quick fun fact before we go. Did you know the very first electronic car immobilizer was introduced by Mercedes-Benz back in the 1990s, and today nearly every modern vehicle uses some variation of it? That's how far vehicle security has come. So don't forget, our challenge is 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments in just 1 week. Smash that like button, drop your thoughts, share this video with your fellow technicians, subscribe if you haven't already, and hype this video in the comments to push it up the leaderboard. Together we can grow this channel into the biggest diagnostic community on YouTube. Thanks again for watching Baabji Motors. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and happy diagnosing.